Bukindun. Okay, take that road. Okay, we will take that road. From there, we follow the road up. So there's the sign of the Wilson Trail Section 5. So there's two-way here, but we will take the left because it's the same also. Okay, this is the second gate for our hike. Oh, ayan, kami lang ni Buds. Kasi mag-me time daw yung mga kasama namin. Diba, early hike lang. For next week. Warm up for next week. Very nice. Let's take this path. Going up to the peak. This is the path going up. It's much easier. Pero there's a kalsada again. So there you go, but we will take this way. So when you finish that shortcut, you take the left. And then you need to have a map here because there's so many trails. Para hindi kayo mawala. So just follow the Wilson Trail, Section 5. Ang ganda ng trail. Shorter way daw to papuntang Lion Rock. Tapos meron siyang kasi Fadaw Peak. Pero doon kami sa Mauchasan Peak pupunta. Ribbon. I'll check my map. Baka shortcut to. Okay, let's go. Look at the trail, so nice, right? The weather is so nice today. Okay, the trail. Ang ganda ng trail. Amoy pine tree siya. Kasi ang daming ang pine tree. And the weather is so nice. Nice clearing. So there's an intersection here. So check the map. Which way to go? Trail here. Napalayo kami dun sa aming target peak, pero punta muna kami ng Fadaw Peak. Explore. Aga pa naman. Explore namin itong Fadaw Peak. I think we will go here kasi direct na sa taas or I don't know. So guys, my path here, pero dito kami kasi sa taas na is the Fadaw Peak viewing point. Maganda sa taas. Tsaka maganda talaga tong trail, grabe. Lalo na sa winter pag nag-chill hike ka, maganda rito. Going to Lion Rock. This is another way to Lion Rock. Ribbon. Tapos may sign doon na danger. Siyempre pag danger, gustong gusto namin yan. Yes. Pag danger, doon ang daan. Lipat na. Andun na si Lolo, oh. Mikot lang siya. Daan dyan ulit. Daan dito. Dito na lang kami. Same rin naman yung aakyatan. Bato. Look back at the trail you walk. There's the trail that we've been. Ganda, di ba? It's fun. Hindi namin nakuha yun. Okay. Tayo sa Fadaw Peak. So let's go now to Mauchasan Peak. which is on that mountain. Daan dito guys, tapos yun nga sa sementeryo. Ayan. Na-improve na siya. Kaya lang, mainit dito kasi dapat winter hike to. So, this is the trail. At last, nakuhan ko na rin yung section 5 ng Wilson Trail. Gusto kami galing. Okay guys, we're in the peak of Mount Chasan. Okay. So, ito na nga yung peak guys, Mount Chasan. Naka-check-in na kami. So, punta na kami sa Shushunaw. Follow namin yung Wilson Trail Section 5. Okay, so let's go. And follow this trail. So there's a famous rock formation here in that point. Zoom natin kung kaya. Ayun yung rock formation na Kitty Rock sabi. Wala, hindi ko ma-zoom. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ayan, kita nyo? Para siyang pusa pag malayo. Yung nakatingin sa'yo. So, there will be a junction here. If you want to exit now, you can exit from here, type road. Yeah. But we will continue here to Shatin Pass to go to Shushunaw. Then this one, you can take this one to Taipo Road, or when you... So we will take this path going up to Shatin Pass. Then this one is going to Crown Point or Unicorn Ridge. If you want to go there, you can take this path. But we will take this as we are going in Shushunaw. Distance pose 49. Continue there. Mas gusto ko pa to gantong hagdan. Ang daming paper bark tree. So guys, look at this trail. Ang ganda talaga niya. Wilson Trail Section 5. Going to Shatin Pass. And I think we're going on that mountain, Shushunaw or Sugarloaf Mountain. Open siya, and there's so many rock formation there. Yan. Another rock formation along the way. Hey guys, dito tayo daan kasi may shortcut kaysa umikot pa kami. Malayo-layo rin. Ang tanong, asan yung daan? Oh. I'm not sure. So, ayun nga, galing na kami dyan sa trail, sa gitna. And then, we will follow the Wilson Trail, pointing to this road, going to the left. Because there's another road going to the right, and it's going up. So, dito tayo. Let's go. And this is the stream that we hear a while ago. So, ayan nga guys, nandito kami. Yun yung daan papuntang Lion Rock din. Yan, yan pa na park. Diyan kami mag-exit. So, ito yung daan pupunta ng Shushunaw Peak. Kaso, hindi na namin siya itutuloy kasi nagugutom na kami at saka may lakad kasi ako. So, itutuloy na lang namin. Di bali, half day hike lang naman. Chill hike lang kami ni Bads. Kasi may hike kami next week.
Yes.
Kaya yan. Kakain na kami. Pero ang ganda ng trail.
Yeah.
Ng Fadaw Ping tsaka Mount Chasan. Chill and then very nature.
Pero yung siya namin ayos sa nature.
Pero yung nature, ginugutom kami kaya kain muna kami. Bye! Papunta na kami. So ayan nga guys, pa-exit na kami. Papunta na kami sa MTR station ng Pung Taising. At kakain na rin kami ng lunch doon. So, Isang peak lang kami ngayon, yung Mount Chasan. Masyado kaming na-overwhelm sa Fadauping. Ang ganda kasi talaga dun. Ang gandang magtambay. Kaya yun, na-odis oras na kami. Eh, may swimming pa ako kaya need ko nang mag-exit. Diba, nakakatuwa lang si Go Wild. Dahil sa kanya, ang daming nadidiscover na peak. Hindi kagaya dati nung di pa namin alam tong Go Wild. Same ang ruta. Lion Rock, Colon Peak, Sunset, Lantaw, Patsingleng. Nakakala mo yun na yung mga mahihirap na trail. After mag-Go Wild, may mas mahihirap pa pala. Pero nakaka-enjoy talaga siya. Marami tayong nadidiscover. Ayun, no? May trail dito. Kaya sa mga hindi pa nag-Go Wild dyan, mag-Go Wild na kayo. Marami kayong mag-discover na trail.